Question number 12. What change do you receive from 30 rupees after buying 13 sweets at 31 cents each, 19 apples at 63 cents each, and 6 paper bags at 77 cents each? Okay, first of all, we're going to compute the total cost of all these. Alright, so in terms of cents, I've got my calculator here. 403 cents for the sweets, 19 apples at 63 each, so that's going to make it 1,197. Then you've got 6 paper bags at 77. It's coming to 462. So let's add all these up. So that's 2,062 cents. So the change will be then 3,000 cents from here minus the 2,062. 938 cents, which means we're left with 9 rupees 38 cents. So divide this by 100. Now for question 13, there's a circle. Okay, and in the diagram, the circle, AB is the diameter of a circle with center O. Given that OBC is 42 degrees, now if this is the radius, this is the radius, so we can say that this one also is equal to 42 degrees, and over here it's going to be 180 minus these two, so that's going to make it 180 minus 2 times 42, which is 96 degrees, and of course I can get this. That's going to be, okay, so 180 minus 2 times 42, 96. Okay, so that's fine. We're supposed to find angle OCB. OCB. Well, this is OCB then. Okay. OCB is 42. And then find CAO. CAO. Okay, so this is going to be 90 degrees. Why? Because this is the diameter. So angle ACB, let's say ACB is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. And see, what doesn't make sense to me is this is coming to 96 degrees. Doesn't make sense to me, because if this is 180, this is for 42, how come it's less than 90? Anyway, the question is set in this way, there's nothing I can do. And as for this, well, don't worry about it. I've got 90 degrees here because the AB is the diameter. Okay, therefore ACB is 90 degrees. And hence we've got CAO is equal to 180, take with the 90 and take it with the 42. So that 90 minus 42, which comes to 48. So this is then 48. Makes sense to me now. Because if you take, this is 48 as well, so let's put the answer. CAO is 48 degrees. 48 plus 48 is 96. That makes sense. That's going to be 84. Anyway, funny question. Take care. Question number 14. The formula used by a taxi driver for calculating the charge C cents that he makes for a journey of k kilometers is given by this. Calculate his charge for a journey of 7 kilometers. Okay, so this is 7, so we're going to say then C is equal to 600 times 7 plus 1200, which is then 4200 plus 1200. That's going to make it 5,400 rupees. Good. Now a bank customer asks for a statement of her account at the close of business on 23rd May. Part of the statement has been accidentally torn off and the remaining part is shown below. You got the description, debits and credits. It's more like an accounting kind of question. So if you credit his balance with 10, you're going to get this 107.50, then debit the check, you minus this, you're going to get that. So this plus here. So what we're going to do, we're going to take 55, okay, plus 333.19, okay, and then you're going to take away 200, and you can take away again 25, and you're going to add 206 because you're crediting, and the final balance on the account is 369. So we've got it as 369. So what you should do, this is like plus, minus, plus, minus, minus, plus. This is your calculation, how you reach the answer. Convert a speed of 5 meters per second to kilometers per hour. Okay, 5 meters per second into kilometers per hour. So this is 5 meters per second. So in 1 second we're doing 5 meters. What about 60 seconds? You're going to do 5 times 60 meters. What about 60 minutes, which is 60 times 60? This is like 1 minute, and this one is 60 minutes. 60 minutes like 1 hour. So in 1 hour you're going to do 5 times 60 times 60 meters. Meters to convert into kilometers, divide by 1000. So you got then 60 times 60 times 5, 1800 divided by 1000. So that's 1800 over 1000, make it 18 kilometers per hour. Given that x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5, find the value of y minus 5. Y minus x, that is y is 5 minus x is 3, divided by y again, which is 5 minus 2x, 2 times 3. Sorry, this should be 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2, divided by 5 minus 6 is minus 1, so we got negative 2. Y minus 3x to the square, and y again, we know that y is 5 minus 3x, 3 times 3. So that's like 5 minus 9, 5 take away 9 to the square, is minus 4 to the square, and that's going to make it 16. So we got it as 16.